Is it time to buy or sell Nuvve Holding stock? In this video, we will explore Nuvve Holding in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of May 2025, our system has categorized Nuvve Holding as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance over this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 143.86% since we first recommended purchasing Nuvve Holding just 2 days ago. This equates to an average return of 71.93% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot predict the stock's next direction, as it could trend in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 41.33% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 87.81% to negative 41.33%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected decline of 69.87%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 93.18% to negative 69.87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 18.9 cents and 84 cents. Our latest daily update for Nuvve Holding includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Nuvve Holding Corp stock price on Friday, moving between $1.57 and $3.55. The Nuvve Holding Corp stock price gained 143.86% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, rising from $1.14 to $2.78. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 126.10% from a daily low of $1.57 to a daily high of $3.55. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 205.36% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 254 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 258 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $718,100,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $17.30 and the lowest price was 82 cents. Currently, the price is 83.93% or $14.52 below the 52-week high and 99.96% or $6,917.22 below the all-time high on November 9, 2021, when the price reached $6,920. Nuvve Holding Corporation, trading under the symbol NVVE, has recently made significant advancements to expand its business into the digital asset space. Today, Nuvve announced the engagement of multiple leading digital asset advisory consultants to accelerate the growth of its new subsidiary, Nuvve-DigitalAssets. This subsidiary is focused on building a diversified cryptocurrency portfolio, with the goal of generating long-term growth and maximizing shareholder value. Earlier, on the 1st of May, Nuvve set the stage for increased investor interest by planning to release its first quarter financial results, scheduled for the 15th of May, 2025. This update, alongside the engagement of cryptocurrency experts like James Altucher to advise its digital strategy, positions Nuvve favorably against competitors, which could enhance investor confidence and boost stock momentum. The launch of its newly formed subsidiary and partnerships, including one with Jefferies for infrastructure financing related to electric vehicle initiatives in New Mexico, further reflects Nuvve's commitment to innovation in energy solutions. These developments are likely to positively influence Nuvve's stock performance, both in the short term as market excitement builds around the impending financial updates, and in the long term as the company capitalizes on emerging trends in digital assets and green technology. Investors are likely seeking signs of successful execution of this ambitious strategy that combines grid modernization with cryptocurrency, which may help boost stock prices as Nuvve positions itself as a leader in these rapidly evolving markets. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 8th of August, 2022, it was reported that Chardan Capital assigned NVVE a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nuvve Holding stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Nuvve Holding. Nuvve Holding Corporation's stock is showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at levels of $1.27 and $1.15. If the stock drops below either of these thresholds, it will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on the 28th of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 222.51%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nuvve Holding. Nuvve Holding Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $2.70, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved $1.98 between its high and low, or 126.10%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 45.06%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nuvve Holding, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is currently losing money. Even well-established companies can go through tough times, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nuvve Holding. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nuvve Holding is at $2.96. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Nuvve Holding faces its first support level at $2.70. If this support level holds firm, it may serve as a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Nuvve Holding from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the last day of the year 2024, when Poilisna Gregory executed an insider sale of 1,680 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.69, which reflects a decrease of 3.18%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. The relative strength index for the past 14 days stands at 91, which substantially raises the risk factor. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom that was established 9 days ago. Is Nuvve Holding stock a good buy? Nuvve Holding Corporation has several positive indicators, but we still do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning it may be wise to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate rating since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of May, we anticipate that Nuvve Holding will open lower by 14.7 cents and begin trading at $2.63. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.